Hi everyone, this is Nathan, and today's video is I got a gift from DBTech. I think that's how you spell it. He gave me an awesome 3D printed gift that he made himself, and I'm going to read you a letter first that I sent before I show you the gift. It says, "Hello Nathan, I love your videos and creativity on your layout. I wanted to send you one of my 3D printed pastor cars. I might need a little sanding and painting as you like. I am working on another upon it of the roof. I can send you the STL files. Also, I am also working on another version of the coal tender with different tender and truck mounts. Have an awesome day, Dave, DBTech." Thank you for the letter, David. That was very nice of you to write to me and send me this awesome gift that I'm going to show everyone. And here is the gift. It's a kit that he made, and I'm going to put it together. It comes with two different roofs that are totally awesome, one in green and one in white. The main passenger car and the frame. And as you can see underneath, it's got the two holders for the couplers, and the holes are for the trucks, which he did send in trucks, which is totally awesome. And he sent these two parts, and he sent these covers for the couplers so they don't fall out, which is pretty awesome. 3 washers, 2 screws. So let's get started. I really like this passenger car a lot. Right away when I ran it with my scratch locomotive, as you can see in the footage, I had no trouble at all. It's built very well, and I really like this gift. I really do. There is going to be painting. I am going to paint this. The only thing I haven't glued on is the roof, just in case I want to change the roof, like so. So yeah, I'm going to use both roofs if I feel like switching out one or the other, which I think is a awesome idea to do. So David, if you're watching this, thank you so much again for this awesome gift. It really means a lot to me. I'm going to paint it to Reading Company, and the reason why I'm painting it to Reading Company instead of Reading Northern is because I also like another railroad. It's W. Kansas Railroad, and they have some equipment that's Reading Railroad equipment there. And I'm going to represent one of these passenger cars as if it was there, which I think is totally awesome and totally perfect for the... So it's like perfect timing to have this. Anyway, that's all I have for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy building this awesome kit. I really do love it, and I'll cherish it. I really will. And that's all I have for this video, and have an awesome day, everyone, and see you on the next video.